Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Hinge algorithm so you can get a completely fresh set of potential matches. This method works for everyone, no matter your gender, and many people see a noticeable boost in new matches afterward. So, what's the problem with the Hinge algorithm? Well, over time, it learns from your swiping behavior, but sometimes it misreads your preferences. This can result in the app showing you people who aren't really a great fit. That's where resetting the algorithm comes in. It's a simple way to give yourself a clean slate and get better recommendations. Start by opening the Hinge app and tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're inside your profile, tap on the Settings option. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the Settings menu like you're about to delete your account. When you reach the Delete or Pause Account section, tap on it. You'll be asked why you're leaving Hinge. This step isn't very important, but I usually go with prefer not to say. After that, you'll get a prompt asking if you'd like a fresh start. This is the option we're looking for. It allows you to reset your Discover feed while keeping your profile and matches. Tap on Try It to continue. Confirmation screen will pop up explaining what the reset will do. Your profile and existing matches will stay the same, but your recommendations, skips, and sent likes will be cleared. If you've sent someone a like before, you may drop out of their queue, but they could show up again later in your feed. Once you're ready, hit Let's Do It to confirm. The app will take a few moments to reset your dating pool. If it feels like it's taking too long, just close and reopen the app. After it's done, you'll notice your Discover feed looks totally new. It's a fresh start, ready for you to swipe and match with people who are actually more aligned with your preferences. And that's it. If this helped you out, like the video, subscribe the channel to get useful content, and press the notification button as well. Enjoy exploring a whole new batch of potential matches, and good luck out there!